The event log captures warnings, errors, and information about the Dante network that can be key to solving problems in the field. To illustrate the usefulness of the event log, we will make a change to the master clock of a Dante network using the Clock Status tab. The FOH console device is selected as the preferred master, and so is the master clock for this network. We'll set Stagebox to be the preferred master, and then see how this event appears in the log. So we'll make those selections right now. Enable Sync to External must be disabled for FOH console, as it is no longer the master clock. The event log indicates new entries with red. Click here to see the log. The event log is currently set to display information, which means it will show all events. Use the drop-down menu to apply filters. Let's view only errors. Master clock changes are included in the error category because they are always considered major network events. We'll now set the log to show warnings. Warnings includes errors, so the clock change event appears when this filter is applied as well. And we'll once more look at information entries. With the filter set to information, we can see the demotion of FOH console from master to slave and the elevation of Stagebox to master. To save the event log as a text file, click the Save button. And to clear all event log entries, click the Clear button. Thanks for watching this video on using the event log in Dante Controller.